playing with numbers. Playing with numbers. In this chapter, the first point of this chapter is factor. Factor, and the factor already you have discussing or study in the previous classes. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Factor is a number, is an exact divisor of that number. That means, for example, we take 4. And the factor of 4 is, I will write here 1, 2, 4. Because the definition say a factor of a number is the exact divisor of that number. If we divide it by 1 to 4, the value, it is exact divided by 1. 4 divided by 1, it comes 1 4s are 4. Then remainder comes 0. Therefore, 1 is the factor of 4. Similarly, if we divide by 2, it is the quotient comes 2 and the remainder comes 0. Therefore, 2 is the factor of 4. Similarly, if we divide it by 4 to 4, 4 1s are 4, the remainder comes 0. Therefore, we say 4 is the factor of 4 also. Okay? That means the factor of 4 is 1, 2, 4. Similarly, we also write in the multiple form, 4 equal 1 into 4. 4 equal 2 into 2. That means if you write the number in the multiple form, then we also say they are the factor of 4. Yeah, they are the factor of the number. That means if you divide it by 1 in 4, it is exactly divisible. Similarly, if you divide it by 4 to 4, it is also exactly divisible. That means the multiple of the number is also factor of that given number. Okay? It is clear? That means the definition of the factor is, oh, okay. Okay. Now, some properties of the factor. Properties of factors. Four, 6, 8, 24. Okay. Okay. क्या? बच्चों से पूछिए आपकी आवाज आ रही है? My voice be clear? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. सृष्टि त्रिपाठी, हमारी आवाज आ रही है? Please raise your hand. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Now, the properties of the factor are: a number is the multiple of each of its number. These are the multiple of this number, and each of the number are the factor of this number, okay, because they are divisible, exactly divisible by 24. By that means 24 divided by 1 is exactly divisible because the remainder comes 0. Similarly, 24 divided by 24, it is exactly divisible. Therefore, we say they are the factor of 24. Similarly, 3 also, it is exactly divisible. 8 also, 4 also, 6 also, and 12 also. Therefore, we write the factor of 24s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Okay? That means if you find the factors of the number, you also write in the multiple form also. Okay? If you write in the multiple form, they are the factor of the number. Next property, 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the number, is the factor of each and every number. For example, 24, 1 into 24. 7, 1 into 7. 99, 1 into 99. 9, 1 into 9. That means 1 is the number or factor of each and every number. Okay, this is the property. Next, every factor is a number, is an exact divisor of the number. That means every factor of the number is an exact divisor of that number. That means the factor of the number is exactly to the given number. Those numbers are given, they are exactly divisor of that number. Okay, factor is exactly divisor of that number. That means the given number. Okay, and number of the factor are given, numbers are finite. That means the factor of the given numbers are always finite. That means you always count it. Factor of the number always be finite. For example, 4. The factor of 4 is 1, 2, 4. And how many factors here? 1, 2, 3. 3 factors of 4. That means we count. Finite. Finite means you have count the numbers. That means each and every number of the factor are finite. Okay? Finite उसे कहते हैं जिसे हम काउंट कर सकें, और किसी भी नंबर का आप फैक्टर निकालेंगे वो हमेशा फाइनाइट होता है. बट the multiples of the number, the numbers of multiples are infinite. The multiples of a given number, the number of multiples of a given number are infinite. Infinite means you cannot count less. You cannot count exact number. For example, multiple of 5. That means you write the multiple. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, dash. The number comes next number. If you multiply 5, all the natural numbers, and the natural numbers are infinite, that means the multiple of the number comes infinite. Okay, it is clear? कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि किसी भी नंबर का आपको मल्टीपल्स निकालना है, वो काउंटलेस आएगा, इनफाइनाइट आएगा. इसलिए क्योंकि हम उसे नेचुरल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते चले जाएंगे और नेचुरल नंबर का एंडिंग पॉइंट नहीं होता, सिमिलरली इनका मल्टीपल्स का भी कोई एंडिंग पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा. दैट मीन इट कम्स इनफाइनाइट एंड दिस डैश डैश शोज इनफाइनाइट. ओके, इट इज क्लियर? It is clear? Shruti Tripathi, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Shruti Tripathi. Okay. Srishti Tripathi. Srishti. Okay. 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 And the last property, perfect number. Perfect number. Perfect number. Perfect number. Now you write this definition of the perfect number. A number, write down, a number for which sum of all its factor is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number, is called a perfect number. That means a number for which sum of all its factors. Let us take example. Let us take the example 6. Example. And factor of 6 is 1, 2. 2 is exactly divisible by 6. 3 is also the factor of 6, and 6 also. Now, according to definition, we have sum of all the factors. Sum of all factors if equal 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, and it comes 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Now here in the is equal to twice of the number. Sum of, so first we twice of the number equal, our number is 6, and twice, that means multiply by 2 to 6, it comes 12, and it is both the numbers are equal. The definition say sum of all factors equal to twice of the number. And here is both the sum of the factor comes 12 and twice of the number is also come 12. Therefore 6 is the perfect number. 6 is the perfect number. Okay? Okay? Therefore we say 6 is the perfect number. Okay? Now take another example. Can I erase it? Please raise your hand. Isko mita दूं? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Now we take the another example. Take number 4. Okay. And factor of 4 is 1, 2, and 4 is also divisible by, the factor of 4 is 1, 2, and 4. Then by the definition, sum of all the factors, sum of all factors equal 1 plus 2 plus 4, and it comes 4 to 6 plus 1, 7. And now twice of the number, and my number is 4. My number is 4. So 2 into 4, and it comes 8. Therefore, we say 4 is not a perfect number. 4 is not a perfect number. Okay? Now we write here number 4. 4 is not a perfect number. Okay? Okay? Any problem? Okay? शिवेश, समझ में आया? It is clear? जिस नंबर का ट्वाइस करने पे और उसके फैक्टर के सम करने पर दोनों इक्वल आ जाए तो कहेंगे वो नंबर परफेक्ट है, अदरवाइज नॉट. ओके, इट इज क्लियर? It is clear? Therefore, 4 is not a perfect number. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Now we start. Now we start the exercise. Now we start the exercise. All the properties we are discussing, and also we discuss the definition of the factor, and these are applying on the question of exercise 3.1. Now we start the exercise. Start the exercise 3.1, and you have opened your book, page number 50. Page number 50. Now we start the exercise, and exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Question 1. Write all the factors. Write all the factors. All the factors of the following number. Of the following numbers. Now, A part. This is 24. And we discussed the definition. The factor is a number that exact divisor of that number. So you have find which number is exactly divisible to 24. Or the second part, second definition of the factor, if you write the number in the multiple form, if you write the number in the multiple form, each part of the multiple number are the factor of that number. That means, first, very easily, you have write in the multiple form. You have write. I will start from first natural number. First natural number, 1 into 24. 1 is exactly divisible. 24 is exactly divisible by 1. And 24 is also exactly divisible by 24. Now, second, 2. 2, if you divide it 2, it comes 12. 2 12s are 24. Okay? Okay? It is very easily. You have find 2. If you divide 2 in 12, it comes 12. And we write 2 into 12. Similarly, start 3. 3 into 8. 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. That means 24 is exactly divisible by 3, and 24 is exactly divisible by 8 also. And then 6. Then after We cannot, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 6 are 24. And then 5, it is not the multiple of 24. 6 is already coming there, and we cannot write here. 6 number is already coming there. 8 is already coming there. 12 is already there, and 24. Therefore, factor of 24 are we write here we write 1, this number 2, right, in, and you have put the commas each and every number, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. And that is our answer. Okay? That means if you find the factor of the number, my suggestion is you write in the multiple form. That means no any number be left. मेरा ये सजेशन है कि अगर आपको किसी नंबर का फैक्टर निकालना है तो उसको आप मल्टीपल फॉर्म में लिखिए, इससे कोई भी नंबर आपका छूटेगा नहीं. अदरवाइज एग्जैक्टली यू एज्यूम करके आप या सोच के आप कोई भी नंबर रखेंगे तो हो सकता है आपके कोई ना कोई नंबर लेफ्ट कर जाए, छूट जाए. Therefore, if you solve the question, you write the factor. First you write in the multiple form and then you write the factors. Okay? It's clear? Shruti? Srishti? Srishti, it's clear? Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Now, we take
Sir.
this.
Sir.
Yes. Yes. Tell me. Tell me.
24. Sir, please explain one more time
Sir, I'm
the exercise question first.
yes, sir. 24.
Again explain. Okay. Okay. Now again explain.
Please explain
Okay.
one more time.
Once time again. Now,
Yes, sir.
we find the factor of 24. First, you write the multiples of the number, and you start the number by the first natural number. This is 1. 1 multiplied by 24, it comes 24. Okay? Then we start the second natural number, 2. 2, which number you multiply, it comes 24. You divide it by 2, it comes 12. That means 2 into 12. 2 12s are 24. Very easily, right? Now we go to the next number, 3. 3 8s are 24. This table you already know. 3 8s are 24. Now we go to the next table, 4. 4 6s are 24. 5 is not exactly divisible or not a multiple of 5. 24 is the not multiple of the 5. Therefore, it is not the factor of 5. Now 6, next 6 is already there and we cannot write. 6 यहाँ पहले से ही है, इसलिए इसको मल्टीपल फॉर्म में नहीं लिखते हैं. हमने प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ाई थी, कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लगती है, तो ये कॉम्यूटेटिव हम इसको 4 into 6 लिखें, चाहे 6 into 4 लिखें, both are the same thing, both are same thing. That 6 is already there, 8 is already there, 12 is already there, 24 is already there. And these are the factor. We write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Okay? And that is our answer. It is clear? It is clear? Akansha? Clear? Akansha, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Akansha? Okay. Okay. Now, the C part of this question number C part, C, and that is 21. First, you write the multiples of this number, 1 into 21. Look at here, 1 into 21. Then 2 is not exactly divisible by 21. Therefore, we go to the next number, 3. 3 7s are 21. Okay, 3 sevens are 21. Then no number be left. It is exactly divisible by 21. Therefore, the factor of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. That is our answer. Okay, so first you write in the multiple form. प्यारे बच्चों, अगर किसी नंबर का फैक्टर निकालना है तो कोशिश करिए पहले उसे मल्टीपल फॉर्म में लिख लें, जिससे कि आपका कोई भी नंबर छूटे ना और फिर उसको आप उतार लीजिए. ओके, इट्स क्लियर. नाउ वी टेक which number I will, which question 1, which part I will take? Tell me. बताइए कोई पार्ट, कोई भी पार्ट बोलिए. Now I take the H part. Is 23, and 23 is the prime number, and prime number having only two factors. One factor is 1 and the another factor the number itself. Therefore we write 1 into 23. There no other factor. Therefore factor of 23 are 1 and 23, and that is our answer. Okay, it's clear. It's clear. Now one question I will take, I part, and that is 36. 36. First you write in the multiple form 1 into 36 equal 36. 2 is exactly divisible by this number. 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 8, 2 18s are 36. 2 into 18, 2 into 18, 2 into 18. Similarly, 3 into 12, 3 into 12. Now we start 4 into 9, 4 9s are 36, it comes 36. 5 is not exactly divisible. 6 into 6 is 36. 7 is not exactly, it is not exactly. That means they are completed. Now we write the factors of 36. Factor of 36 are 1, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 is already coming. Therefore you cannot write 2 times. Cannot write the number 2 times if the number is coming there. Now 6, then after 9, then 12, 18 and 36. And these are the number of the factor of 36, and they are exactly divisible. That is our answer. That means 1 is exactly divisible, 36 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay? It's clear?
Yes,
It's clear?
sir.
And question number 2, multiples.
Yes, sir.
Only today I will 2 questions
सर
take
एक
up.
बार एच बता दीजिए.
कौन सा? बोलिए.
सर एच.
H is the prime number. It has only 2 factors. We write 1 into 23. No other factors, because it is a prime number. Therefore, the factor of 23 are 1 and 23. That is our answer. Now, the question. Yes?
Sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
सर को बता दीजिएगा, समझ में नहीं आता.
Okay.
सर लेफ्ट साइड का नहीं दिखता है.
लेफ्ट साइड का नहीं दिखता है. ओके, मैं राइट साइड करूंगा. ओके, कोशिश करूंगा राइट से. एक क्वेश्चन सर, लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का फर्स्ट पार्ट. राइट द फर्स्ट 5 मल्टीपल्स.
सर आपका वीडियो नहीं शो कर रहा है.
फर्स्ट नहीं शो कर रहा है.
सर प्रॉपर्ली सुने.
प्रॉपर्ली
बताता होता कर लीजिए तो चलेगा. तुम तो
5 multiples. and multiples are infinite, therefore in the question are given only first 5. Multiples of 5, multiple of 5 are, we write 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 4 20, 5 5 25. Count it. 1 2 3 4 5. In the question are given first 5. You write here first 5 and show dash dash dash, because the multiples are infinite and you show dash dash dash, and that is our answer. Okay. Now tomorrow you complete question number 1. Tomorrow you complete question number 1 and 2 of exercise 3.1. Okay.
सर फिर से बोल दीजिए
कौन सा
Page number 50.
question
Page
page
number
number
50.
50, question 1 and 2 of exercise 3.1. You have complete in a homework copy, and if any problem tomorrow you ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.